So you stopped editing your own. You started reaching out to bigger guests and you thought, I should have done this all along. Any other changes this year that you've implemented since the beginning 3.5 years?
Being willing to try new things. Like I've tried new video editing software to be able to pull the best 1-minute clip that they think. And it uses AI. It pulls that 1-minute clip. It pulls 12 of those clips. And I was honestly, before then, going through and I would just know, okay, minute 5. And then I would keep that note or minute 6.
What software is it?
So I've used a couple.
Okay.
The one
let's
I'm
hear
using,
them.
Let's see. Let me pull them up. I've used, it's video.ai. That one's worked great for me.
Throw the link in the chat if you would, and we'll make
yeah.
sure that we get it down into the show notes for Vid.io AI.
Yeah.
And anything else that you want to suggest, we'll make sure that our team puts it in.
Yeah. Honestly, ChatGPT has been helping me a lot too. I'll say I have
How do you use that?
So I'll say I have a podcast about marketing, and then I'll put in the bio so it gives it more context. And then I say, okay, come up with the best title for this podcast episode. And then it'll give me different titles with the podcast name, with the guest. And then from there, I'll say okay, create another one until I find one that I like.
Cool. So that helps you title episodes specifically.
And then I use it for show notes.
When you say I have a podcast about marketing, you don't mean you have a show about marketing. You have an episode about marketing, right? It's just for the individual episode.
Yeah. So I do it for individual episodes. I say, okay, on this episode, we're talking about marketing. I'll do different keywords and then I'll do the bio with it. And I said, based on this, can you come up with a title for me for this podcast episode?
Yeah. Cool. Is there anything else you want to share that you've changed? You started offloading the editing, reaching out to bigger guests, and trying new things like AI. Any others?
I also use AI for show notes too and timestamps. That helps a lot.